Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. So in this video, I want to show you how you can create a cover letter for any job you're applying to using ChatGPT. So let's get started. So, a good cover letter should include all the prior experiences that you have and what skill set you can bring to a company. So, the best information that you can feed ChatGPT is your resume because it has all the skill set that you have and all the prior experiences and what roles you had in the past. So, what I would do in this video is feed my resume to ChatGPT and then ask ChatGPT to create me a cover letter for a job that I am applying to. So, what I will do is just do some quotation mark into the resume. So just so you know, this is a dummy resume. It does not have my actual information. So I will say that create a cover letter for me for a data scientist role. Okay. So what it would do is it would just process that information and create a cover letter for me. So for some of this information, you can just ignore. You can just have like your name and ignore some of the other information. For the recipients, you can just say that dear hiring manager or something like that. So what this is doing is that it is kind of getting the information from my resume and then using that to write a cover letter. So it says that I'm writing to express my strong interest in data scientist position at company name. So here it does not have the company name. What I can do is just add a company name there. So I'll just say that the uh, company I'm applying to is, I'll just call it Deloitte Consulting. And let's see what else is missing there. I think that is the only thing that is missing there. Uh, as okay, so it says that as advertised. So I'll say, and the job was advertised on LinkedIn. Yeah, I'll just call it LinkedIn and see what happens. So what it would do now is that it will replace the information that we just provided in the cover letter. So as you can see that it says that I'm writing to express my strong interest in the data science position at Deloitte Consulting as advertised on LinkedIn, with a master's degree in applied information technology, a concentration in IT management, and the proven track record in data analysis and visualization. I'm confident and my ability to contribute to your team success. So as you can see that, and then here it talks about all the skills that I have. It says that I'm highly skilled in utilizing a range of technical tools and languages such as Python, Java, JavaScript, or SQL, and various software platforms like Databricks, Tableau, Power BI, and things like that. And then here it talks about all the roles that I have. It says that and my current role is a data analyst and senior consultant at Boston Consulting. I've demonstrated my ability to extract and analyze data. And then it talks about some of the other stuff. So this talks about the current role that I provided. It talks about what I have achieved and things like that. And then it says that with my strong technical skills, project management expertise, and solid educational foundation, I'm confident in my ability to make valuable contribution to Deloitte Consulting. So as you can see that this is a very good cover letter that kind of reflects on my my roles and my resume, my skill set. So if a hiring manager sees it, it's kind of tell the hiring manager the story that I have all these skills and I have had these roles in the past and I will be a good member of their team. So what I can do is just for this one, all you have to do is just put your name on there. You don't have to put your address on there unless you want to do it. You could do that and put the date and just remove some of this information because some of this information will be on your resume as well. But if you want to fill it in, that's fine. So here you will say that a recipient, you don't have to put a name. You can just say that I will just say the recipient as a hiring manager. You can just when you're copying and pasting this, just says dear hiring manager or something like that. And here you just put your name at the end, or you can just tell ChatGPT like what your name and all the information is, and it can fill that out for you. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.